trying to force your way through it.
100%.
Force a square peg through a round hole, trying to do it on your own. Yes, you can learn from YouTube or university. You can learn from books. You can learn from, did all that. 100% done all that. It's the long way and it's the painful way. That one thing is too, if you're watching this and you're thinking about getting started, or maybe you are just getting started doing a couple deals, comparing yourself to other people is a very dangerous and toxic thing. And it's very easy that when you first get started in real estate to see other people online or see other people in your market doing all these deals and stuff, right? They're showing the house, and then some people will show their checks on the internet. We don't do that. Yeah. But don't believe everything you see, and never compare yourself to somebody else's journey, because they're day 10. They're on day 10, you're on day 1, right? Their journey, they're not any better than you or any farther along than you. They're just involved longer than you are, if that makes sense, right?